Hi guys, it's Makeup Hair Junkie over 40, and this has nothing to do with makeup. But I don't know if you can hear that, but have you guys ever seen the movie by Alfred Hitchcock, The Birds? When you can hear them in the distance when they start flocking, but before they attack? Well, we have a bunch of bushes down at the end of our driveway, and it is so loud. There's like billions of birds down there. So I'm going to be quiet for a second so you can hear it. They're actually right trying to find right in that, see that one tree behind my shoulder? Well, it's back behind that. There's a bunch of bushes. Okay, I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it was like really freaky. Every time I come outside, I'm like, oh, that's just eerie. But anyways, hope everyone's having a great fall, and I'm trying to get some more videos up. I have a really super crappy internet, like 1 megabyte per second. So when I upload even just a 10-minute video, it takes me like 6 to 8 hours, and then sometimes errors occur. So, but anyways, I'm just gonna have to make my videos shorter, and I'll try to get some more out there soon. Have a great day.